Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can link text to page. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be here in Wix, and when you're gonna do it, you're gonna see like, I don't know, this here, I'm the paragraph, right? Or like add a new text, or like up to you. So now when I'm going to like click here, add a text and heading, right? You can edit like whatever you want. And here you get this like to add a link, first select text, so like this. And here you have option to add it to page and which page you want it to add, like contact us. Done. And right now, when someone is going to click on this text, it will automatically get him to contact us page. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.